Hello my dear student. Today we will talk about Pythagorean theorems. Okay? First of all, our theorem today it talks about the right triangle, okay? So our lesson today talking about right triangle. You need to know that the side opposite the right angle is called hypotenuse, okay? So this side that opposite of the right angle is called hypotenuse. And you need to know that this side is the longest one in the right triangle, okay? The other two sides is called legs, okay? Well, let's see our rule today. Hypotenuse, we put it the letter C, so we put it C. So C represents the side that's opposite of the right angle. The other two sides, we will name one of them A, the other B, okay? So if I want to find the value of C, it will be like that. This is the rule. C power 2 equal A power 2 plus B power 2. Well, in the exam or in the question, he will not ask you to find C power 2 or C squared. He wants for me to find the value of C. So if I want to find the value of C, it will equal to the square root of C power 2. Okay? So let's say our rule today. Our rule today is like that. C power 2 equal A power 2 plus B power 2. And if I want to find the value of C, it will equal the square root of C power 2. Okay? That if I want to find the value of C. What if I want to find the value of A? I want to know what's the length of A. So from this rule, this is our rule here. This is the so important that tell you that C power 2 equal A power 2 plus B power 2. This is the basic rule. This is the rule that we will use it, or we will take the other rule from it. So if I want to find the C, this is the rule. If I want to find the A, I will get it from this rule. If I want to find the value of B or the length of B, I will find from this rule. So from this rule, I will take, or I will find all rules that we needed today. Okay? Okay, now we get the value of the line or the length of C. What if I want to find B? What is the length of B? So from this rule, I want to find A or B. Let's find A first. A power 2 equal what? If I want to find the value of A, I need to make it long. So here we have plus B power 2. So let's just make it cross equal. So A squared equals C squared minus B squared, because any number cross equal change sign. So A squared equals C squared minus B squared. But in the questions, he wants me to find the length of A. So A equal the square root of A power 2. Okay, habibi? So until now, we know how we can find C and how we can find A. Let's say it again. The basic rule that we have today is that C squared equal A squared plus B squared. And I can find the length of C, or I can find the value of C like this. C equal the square root of C squared. But if I want to find the value of A power 2 equal C power 2 minus B power 2. Then I will find the value of A like that. A equal the square root of A squared. Okay, now habibi, let's find the value of B. How we can find B? Okay, from the rule that we have it today, B power 2 will equal. Okay, now we want to find the value of B, so we will make A cross equal. So it will be like that. C power 2 minus A power 2. But we don't want to find B power 2, we need to find B. So B equal the square root of B power 2. Okay حبايبي, you got it? So if you know or you understand the first rule, you can find from it all what we want. You can find A, you can find B, you can find even C. So just know this rule and you can use it to get all of that. So the rule is this: C power 2 equal A power 2 plus B power 2. Okay? Okay حبايبي. Now let's see the first example we have today. Okay, he gave you this triangle and he wants from you find the length of hypotenuse of the triangle. Okay, like we said before, what is the hypotenuse? It's the side that's opposite of the right angle. So he gave you A and B. Well, to find C, the rule is what? Who can tell me? Super, I can hear you. C squared equal A squared plus B squared. That's a great, my dear. Okay, now all what we have, just replace each letter with its number. So just give A whatever, any number of that, okay? So C power 2 will equal A squared plus 4 squared. Now let's get the value of each one. A power 2 or A squared equals 64 plus 4 squared equals 16. Okay, so now C squared equal 80. But we want to find the value of C. We want to find the length of hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse or the C will equal the square root of 80. Okay, habibi? You got it? That's great. Let's see the next question. Okay, we're still in the same. He wants from you here, find the missing measure of each right triangle. So here he gave you some right triangle and he wants from you to find the missing measure, okay? So in the first example here, the missing is the length of B. So first of all, let's write the rule together. Who can tell me the rule? Super, it's like that. B squared equal C squared minus E squared. That's great. Now let's replace each letter of that with its number. The C is the hypotenuse, the side that's opposite of the right angle. And here the C is 20 and A is 7. Okay? So we will replace the C with 20, so that will be 20 power 2 minus A here is 7 minus 7 power 2. It will be like that. 20 power 2. 20 power 2, it's mean 20 times 20. And 20 times 20 equal, habibi, who can tell me? I'm waiting for your answer. Super, I can hear you. That will be 400. Great job. Minus 7 power 2 equal, great, equal 49. Okay, now 400 minus 49 equal what? Great, that will be 351. Now we get B power 2, but he wants from you to find the length of the missing, so that he wants from you to find B. So B will equal the square root of 351. And we will leave it like that, because until now I don't want from you to use the calculator, okay? But if I give you easy number and you can find the result, it's okay, you can find it. Okay? But you can leave it like this, no problem in that. Okay, habibi, now let's see the next one. Here he wants from you to find C and he gave you A and B, okay? How we can find the length of hypotenuse here? Okay, first of all, I need from you to write the rule, okay? So who can tell me C power 2 equal what? Great, I can hear one of you tell me C power 2 equal A power 2 plus B power 2. That's great, my dear. Okay, habibi. Now all what we need here, replace each letter with its number. So the A and B here is 5, so that will be 5 power 2 plus 5 power 2. Okay, 5 power 2 equal what? Power 2, its mean will make 5 times itself. So 5 times 5 equal 25. So that will be 25 plus 25. And 25 plus 25 equal what? Who can tell me, habibi? Great, that will be 50. So if I want to find the length of C, that will equal? Great, so C will equal the square root of 50. Great job, excellent. Now let's see the next question. Okay, here he gave you, we know that the side that opposite of the right angle is the hypotenuse. This is the C, okay? And he gave you B, and he wants from you to find A. How we can find A? First of all, let's write the rule. This is the important, okay? So A power 2 equal, great, that will equal C power 2 minus B power 2. Great job. Now let's replace each letter with its number. Okay, the C here is 3, so that will be 3 power 2 minus the B here is 2, so it will be 3 power 2 minus 2 power 2 equal. 3 power 2 equal 9. Great. 9 minus 2 power 2, 4. Okay, habibi. 9 minus 4 equal 5. Great job. Now if I want to find the A will equal what? Yeah, super. That will be the square root of 5. Yeah, really perfect. Okay, now let's see the next question, and here we will make competition between me and you. How that? You will stop the video now. You will try to solve this question alone. After you finish, play the video again, compare your answer with mine, and if your answer is correct, you will be the winner. But if it's wrong, I will be the winner. Okay? Now, habibi, stop the video, try to solve it, and I'm waiting for you. Welcome back, my dears. Now tell me, here he gave you what? Super, I can hear you. Here he gave you A and B, and he wants from you to find the hypotenuse. He wants from you to find the C. So tell me the rule. We need to find the answer in steps. So tell me the rule. Great job, I can hear you. That will be like this. C power 2 equal A squared plus B squared. Perfect. Now we need to replace each letter with its number. So that will be 8 power 2 plus 4 power 2. Okay, habibi. 8 power 2 equal what? Super, perfect. That's correct. It's equal to 64. And 4 power 2? Yeah, that's equal 16. Now we want to find 64 plus 16 equal 80. Great. Now if I want to find the if I want to find the length of C, that will equal what? The square root of 80. Super, super, super. I'm so happy from you. Get a star because your answer is correct. Great job. Now, habibi, we finish our session. I hope you understand the lesson. So guys, I have to tell you bye and see you next time, inshallah. We end the session. Hope you understand the lesson. Bye.